Hello, everybody. My name is Laura Price, and I live in Aurora, Colorado. I am 27 years old. I'll be 28 in June. I have four children. My oldest, which just got baptized recently, is there in the middle of that photo. That's Bryant. Xavier is here with the little red head. Tanner. And Lavina. And then this is my husband, Spencer Price. We got married May 16th of 2020. So we had a COVID wedding. A lot of people attended over Zoom, which was interesting. So some things about me are, like I said, I live in Aurora, Colorado. I went to culinary school when I left high school. And I was there from 2012 to 2013. And then I got pregnant with Bryant, with my late husband, and so I decided to drop out because all I had left was cooking classes, and I didn't want to be in the kitchen with a big belly. I decided to go back to school in 2020 after losing my first husband he passed away, and I was a single mom to 3 kids and no degree, so I decided to go back and once things were stable, I decided to go back to school, and Pathway Connect seemed like the best way so that I could kind of ease back into school rather than jumping in. And then I got accepted to BYU Idaho in 2021, and we're still going at it. Fun hobbies and interests. I like to crochet. This is a pillow I made recently with a silhouette of the Salt Lake Temple. I like true crime. I listen to podcasts. I watch movies and TV shows. Right now I'm currently watching Bones. I've seen it before, but I'm rewatching the series. I love Harry Potter. I'm a Hufflepuff. And I love spending time with my family. My favorite scripture is, "Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed. Be not dismayed, sorry. For I am thy God. I will strengthen thee. Yea, I will help thee. Yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness." Isaiah 41:10. And then I really love this picture of Christ because, he's reaching his hand to pull you up out of the water. And through trials, I feel like there's been times where I felt like I was drowning, and he brought me back out. I actually was inactive for about 5 years. And then after the loss of my first husband, the local ward really helped me out and gathered around me, and I ended up coming back to church feeling obligated to kind of repay the favor, and then I became active again, and it's no longer an obligation, it's a blessing, and so I'm very grateful for that. My public health experience and career goals. The only public experience I have thus far is what I've learned and experienced during these courses. Last semester I took the health communication class, and I decided to make my campaign about safe haven laws, and so I was really looking into safe haven laws and what those are and what they are for here in Colorado, and then also about safe haven baby boxes, which you can see in that picture. It's in a completely anonymous way for a mom, dad, whatever kind of guardian to put a baby in, and it's safe, it locks, it can only be opened from inside the fire station, and there are none here in Colorado, so I would like to work with the Safe Haven baby boxes and make a real life one here in Colorado and be a part of that and bring my education here into the real world, if you will. My future goals, still deciding if I want to try to become an epidemiologist or a NICU nurse. I've had a NICU baby, and the nurses are just amazing. They make it possible to survive such a hard time in your life. What I hope to gain from this class is valuable knowledge about public health and effective methods used to help communities. So, thanks for listening.